All right, folks, another day and time for a cabin air filter. Those are found behind the glove box. All right, so in this glove box, if you open it up, there's a little tiny shock off to the side. Just gotta pop that off, slide it to the right. Then over here, there's two little tabs here, right there. One there and one on the other side. And what you do is you squeeze the two ends together. Okay, you kind of like squeeze the glove box tight. Let me put this down. But once you do that, this door is going to come off. It's going to come off that hinge right there. Okay, so what I mean by squeezing it is you're just going to squeeze this in and squeeze this in like this. All right, you're going to squeeze this in just to get these little tabs over here out from the slots that are in here. All right, so squeeze it together, two hands like this. The whole door is going to come out. The whole door is going to come out of that little hinge right there. And now I'm going to go to your cabin filter. So we're going to replace this cabin filter with this one here, STP from AutoZone, CAF 1816P. All right, pay attention to the airflow. All right, if the airflow most likely is probably going down like this, right? Air flowing down, this is all going to be full of dirt, okay? Because that's where it's flowing here. Cleans it out and it comes out through the other side. Same if it's this way, but I doubt it's this way only because the dirt's not going to stick to the filter. Most likely it's going to be airflow down. All right, so it's found in here. So I could put a flashlight here for you guys to see. How's that, huh? Not the greatest, but listen, it works. All right, so two tabs there, and you squeeze it like that. Once you squeeze it, then this panel comes out. Once the panel comes out, you're going to see the filter. By looking at it, you can see it's pretty filthy. But look at that. That one's got the arrow going up. But yet I see the dirt there. But I see I do see the motor there. So yeah, let's see. Let's slide it out. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. It's gotta be pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, nasty. Nasty people, nasty. There it is. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, all the dirt is there. So the airflow is going down actually. Okay. Airflow is going down. That's the way it is. All right. So I guess whoever had that filter on is wrong. But like I said, I never seen somebody install the wrong filter and for it to go bad. All right, because look, it's the same material on both sides. There's no extra wire in there like a house AC filter. All right, so airflow is going to be this way because all the dirt was up on top. All right, so I'm going this way with the filter. All right, if you guys are wrong and say I'm wrong, so be it. I think I am correct. Okay, the dirt's going to come through this way and it's going to flow down this way. Okay, but like I said, never seen a bad filter installed the wrong way have any problems with it. All right, so the cover goes right back on. Dun, dun, dun. Just got to snap it. All right, that's it. There's your air filter. It's going to be a mess over here. Going to have to vacuum this customer's car. So same thing. The hinges are going to go on right here. Okay. Hook up the little shock. But this shock, I tell you, the shock came out with it. And there's two holes on the side, but I don't see anything in here. There's no contraption in here to hold that shock in. So I have no clue where it came from. But who knows? I'm just going to shove it right in there like it was before. Push the door in. And we should be good. All right, so let's hook up this door here. All right, so we got the door on the hinges on the bottom. Got the shock in the little square hole over there. I'm going to push it in. And we're going to lock it in. Oh, hang on. Something's sitting over here on this side. Let's go check it out. All right, so the hinge has to fall in the right spot. There's a little C-shaped little piece there. That goes in there. The shock is just going to throw in that little hole because, like I said, I have no idea what's holding it on. All right, so we just push it in. The two little clips over there are going to fall back into the slots. And there you go. There's your glove box operation. And there's your cabin filter. Now let's clean up this little mess over here that this filter did. All right, change the filter, people. Look at this one. Another one. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. That's it, people. Thanks for watching.